So hi guys, we're going to gagawin naman natin ngayon is network security concepts. So exercise 1, full disk encryption. Okay, so ating task is to create and mount a LUKS partition. Okay, step 1 is to connect to ACI ALMA, which is ito na yun. And then sa activities menu, select terminal. Now sa ating terminal, type natin sudo space cfdisk. And then enter. Now, for the password, type natin itong password na sa terminal. Enter. Okay. Then, yung isa pa. Ulit. Type natin ulit. Galang natin. Yun. Okay. Now, in the CFDs menu, ayun. Use the down arrow to select the down arrow slash SDA3. Yan. Then, oops. What happened? Okay. Refresh lang natin. Okay. Now, dito ulit, use naman natin yung left arrow to select natin yung resize. Yan. Then enter. Then, sabi dito sa new size, ang ilagay daw natin is 16.4 uppercase na G. Diba? Hindi, papalitan pala natin. 16.4 G. Okay, then press enter. Okay, good. Now, sa free space, use natin yung down arrow para ma-select natin yung free space. Then, nakita natin nasa select na yung new. Press lang natin yung enter. Then, sa partition size field, and press lang natin ulit yung enter. Okay. On the CF disk menu in the bottom, use the right arrow to select right. Then press enter. Then, sabi dito, are you sure you want to write the partition table to this? Yes. And enter. Okay. Then, punta tayo kay quit. Select natin yung left arrow. Quit and then enter. Okay. Now, sa ating terminal window, type natin to. Sudo space script setup space LUKS format space slash dev slash SDA4. Enter. type daw natin in capital letters, sabi dito sa prompt. So, yes. So, sa ating terminal window, type daw natin to sa passphrase 1 QAZ exclamation point capital QAZ 2 WSX at capital WSX. Enter. Oops. 1 QAZ exclamation point capital QAZ 2 small letter W S X at WS X. Wait. Ulit. Sudo space script setup locks format SDA4. Enter. Upload natin. Oops. Upload natin. Yes. In capital letters. Yun. Enter passphrase. On. C exclamation point. QAZ 2 WSX at ulitin natin. 1 QAZ exclamation point capital QAZ 2 small letter WSX at capital W. Ulit. 1 QAZ exclamation point capital QAZ number 2 small letter WSX at capital WSX. Enter. Okay. Verify natin. 1 QAZ exclamation point capital QAZ number 2 WSX at WSX. Enter. Okay. Next. Sudo. Type daw natin ito. Okay. Sudo script setup space lock open space slash del SDA4 space my underscore lock underscore partition. Enter. Then enter natin yung passphrase natin kanina. On QAZ. QAZ to WSX to WSX. Okay. Now, sa ating terminal window, type down natin to sudo space mkfs.ext for space /dev /upper /my underscore apps underscore partition. Now, sa ating terminal ulit, sudo mkdir space /mnp /my encrypted underscore partition. Okay. Then type down natin ito lahat. Sudo mount space /dev mapper /my underscore lab underscore partition space /mnp /my underscore encrypted /partition. Enter. Then, type natin sudo dlkit. Okay. Now, type natin ls dlk space /f. Enter. Okay. So, ganun yung magiging kalalabasan niya. Then, next step is to close the terminal window. Next. Exercise number 2, file encryption. Task number 1, use OpenSSL to encrypt and decrypt a file. So, dito pa rin tayo sa ACI ALMA. So, select ulit natin si terminal. Then, type natin mkdir space file underscore encryption. Enter. Now, sa next, type natin cd space file underscore encryption / then enter. Next is type natin sa terminal echo, then important stuff here. Tapos space stuff at text. Enter. Okay. Then type natin open SSL-help. Enter. Then sa terminal window natin, type natin open SSL space enc space -aes -128 cbc space dash in space my stuff that text space dash out space my enc stuff that text enter. Okay. So, sa ating password 1, 2, 3. Enter. Then, ulitin lang natin. Verifying daw. Password 1, 2, 3. Enter. Then, after nun, type natin ls. Enter. Then, type natin cat space my enc stuff that text. Enter. Kaya pala. Cat space my enc stuff. Sobrang lag niya, nag-triple yung y natin. That text. Yun. Then, sa terminal, succeed na yung sa terminal, type natin open ssl space enc space dash d space dash aes dash 128 dash cbc space dash in space my enc stuff that text dash out space my dl stuff that text. Okay. Password 1, 2, 3. Type natin ls. Then cat space my dec stuff that text. Press enter. Yun, lalabas important stuff here. So, we can now close the terminal. Okay.